Hey everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to my channel. I am on my way to an estate sale in West Texas. West is a small town just north of Waco. This estate sits out in the country and has some really interesting stuff out there. It looks like a lot of Victorian stuff, a lot of collectibles, and I'm interested in see what we can find. I thought you might want to come along for the ride, and so let's go do it.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. All right, nice to meet you. I think I am done.
All right.
All of this stuff came out of that nickel bin in the back.
A nickel bin.
A nickel bin. That's never worked, by the way.
No, and you know what?
And if it did, I'd feel
Wasn't
so
gonna work
guilty.
this time either, but I didn't want to make you feel bad.
You
Yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see. That one's. I think those
Here
were.
we go.
I think they were $2.
Okay. One.
I think that one I didn't see it, but it was kind of the sleeping gown too. So I was hoping it's close.
Yeah, let's just put it $2 also.
Look at this. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Slicker than butter on a bald monkey.
Now you pay taxes, right?
No, ma'am.
You don't.
Do you need my tax number?
I do. I need you to fill out something.
Okay,
for me.
let me. You know what? I'm about to lose this.
Okay, let me get some.
Boy, that's in rough condition, but goodness gracious.
Michelle, could you help me? Do you mind?
Is that awesome or what? It's a little rough, but I can clean it up.
That is good print. Oh, we can go back into your bag as soon as we get done. There's another 2.
I grabbed all the pillowcases.
Really? 2,
Yeah.
3, 4,
See? Look at that.
5, 6,
For a buck.
Can I take a picture of it?
No.
8, 9.
You're good at sarcasm. The mask helps too, because I really.
The mask helps.
I got nothing to go on, you know.
You don't even know if I have
Wow.
teeth or anything.
13, 14,
My friend had to hire someone at her business, and it's their
17,
receptionist.
18,
Yeah.
And she didn't know that the woman had really terrible.
20,
Oh gosh.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
Gosh. You guys tricked me into that.
27, 28,
Yeah, that's something else.
28 on these.
Okay, got it.
And these weren't marked.
Gloves were $2.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, you got the 28 pillowcases.
Most everything was marked.
Plus.
We tried. Oh, there was a 29. Well, we'll start a new
Yeah.
total on that one. Okay. Ah!
I can't. Yeah, I don't want to get in trouble. I'm too pretty for prison.
Okay, these. Did you get $2 for this one?
Yes.
Okay. There's another $1. Oh, these are awesome. I'm glad somebody's getting these.
I don't know anything about them, but
I
I'll
just
figure it
like
out.
the design on them. $4.
I bet this sale was fun to set up. It was just this organized when you came in, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
I can tell from all the boxes outside that everything was perfectly stored and
Crazy. What was that?
2.
An estate sale, and they go right all the way around. Then they come back and then go
Oh, yes, I liked this one. Skirts were marked at 3.
yeah, I think they were
Yeah.
3, but
3, yes.
and I don't.
Awesome skirt, but it's still 3.
Gorgeous.
Nickel.
25.
$25.
Yes, vintage
Not
bathing
25
suit.
nickels.
Yes, that's from
You see why I don't have any friends?
Yeah, he keeps trying to tell me he picked everything out of the nickel box.
Nickel bin,
Nickel bin.
not a nickel box. Nobody would believe that.
25.
25.
2. Blue jeans are 5.
Those are overalls.
Oh, over, they're still 5.
Okay.
Let's say, yeah. Okay.
Looks like blue jeans to me,
Right.
but that's a good deal. For sure.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
For sure.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Would you like these hangers?
That's
Yes?
it.
No. I mean, I will if you just want me to throw them out for you.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Well, we keep them for the next sale. We might be like this one. Grand total. We'll take the hangers back.
167.
Okay.
Oh, am I on GoPro right now?
Yeah.
Are we live? We're
You're
live
live.
in action. This is the Heart Hatter without my heart. But what's up, everybody? I hope you've enjoyed the video.